Hi everyone, today we are going to share with you how to prepare our kids for the future. Many of you attended my risk management class and a lot of you asked me for the risk assessment template. However, who is the first one to create this risk assessment template? Kids will have to solve problems that you and I have never seen before, and they have to develop solutions to solve them. Remember, having a good academic result does not mean that they are good problem solvers. They have to be agile and to adapt to the ever-changing world. Steve Jobs is a good example. Although Apple started with PCs, he is innovative and produced iPhones. Those who cannot adapt to changes will be eliminated. To be able to innovate, we have to be creative and open to new ideas. What better way to learn than to experience the process of creation? If your kid is more than 5 years old, they are ready for this. We will create objects using technology like 3D printing and crafting with our hands. A problem is identified, and we use our imagination to come up with solutions. Adults can join the kids throughout the learning process. You will be surprised how creative your kids are. Families can participate to foster teamwork, have a stronger bond, and solve a problem together. Let's start creating and have some fun together.